firing line, fire and come pretty close to picking out men who'll do the best shooting. Who'll do the best shooting.
Okay, so we are here to unbox my newest upgrade to my video capturing, which is the DJI Mavic Air, not Pro. So this recently came out. It's just the fact that it just sits between the Spark and the Mavic Pro. We'll see where it sits in terms of features, but this is what we have right now. So, being me, I had to buy the kit that includes remote control, intelligent flight battery ×3, battery charging hub, battery to power bank adapter, propeller guards, carrying case, and travel bag. So yeah, we have some extra backup gear in case we crash and burn. Okay. So being me, I had to get the white one. I couldn't find the red one, so white one it is. Because black one is pretty plain for me. Okay, let's start by opening this drone box. Okay, so let me bring it in. The combo, right? Now, carrying case. Wow. Because you know me and my travels, I need compact equipment that can be stored anywhere and pass through airports and whatnot. So there is, the travel bag is different from the carrying case, which the drone is actually in the box. So let's put this away. Now we have, those are the propeller guards. So just, if you're just starting this flying training, you will need the propeller guards. Because they will help you in case you crash. But I'd imagine that there's enough sensors on there to help you not crash. And there's a startup guide. There's a lot in there. We'll get there when we actually fly it. They provide 2 replacements, water damage coverage, and free shipping. That's actually pretty good. Okay, so looking at what's in the travel bag, there's more stuff. So here we have the DJI remote. We'll get more cameras in for a closer look. Now, the remote is not like the Pro remote, but it works. We need to unfold the antennas. And then I think the joysticks are folded in as well. We'll get to it. Now here we have these are the propeller blades. You have 2 sets of them in case you lose anything. USB-C charger. This is a connection between the remote and the phone. These are the battery pack hubs. And this is the drone charger. And there's 3 sets of batteries. 2 and 1 probably on it. Yeah. It's a pretty nice carrying case. It has all the compartments. And yeah, works good with my travels. Now let's open the actual drone. Ooh. So I picked the white one, which looks pretty nice. Let's get a closer look. So this is the size of the drone. So you fold the back ones first, as I've read in the reviews, and then the front ones. And then the front ones. Don't want to break anything because it's a big purchase, and I didn't crash it yet. Don't want to end up. So it seems like it's not charged at all. So I'll charge it and let's fly this thing, not fry it. Okay.